This 2023 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 351 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Forest River is 45 feet 1 inch in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 8, skylight, slideout, external shower, oven, microwave, Colorado detector, stove top burner, LP detector, water heater, smoke detector, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, loft, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 351 is 13,000 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.